How to pursue a CAO of a company which is doing okay, is at present successful without the use of business analytics to invest in it?
Because I think it's possible that companies have been successful up till now because business analytics is still a growth industry. The market is still taking up business analytics. That quote that I mentioned earlier about the analytics outperformers, the number of companies that are defined as outperformers right now are, I think the number is around 30%. So 70% of companies really are not using analytics the way that they probably should. And that means that there are likely companies in industries or in regions that aren't facing truly analytical organizations yet, and aren't really facing companies that identify insights that come out of analytics, that aren't coming up with predictions that change the way things are done in the industry. And I'd propose that while it's been possible up till now to do that, to not be an analytical organization, those days are going away. And that eventually, in the next few years, it's going to be almost the baseline requirement that you use analytics. Right now, it may still be a competitive differentiator in some industries. So the question I'd have for them is, do they want to wait until it's possibly too late, where maybe you don't have the earnings necessary to fund some of the investments that you may want to make to help bring your business analytics forward? Or, alternatively, if you are an analytics outperformer, you can actually make more money, as I showed before. Revenues go up, earnings go up, stock price appreciates. And if you can do that now, why wouldn't you do that now? If you're successful, why not be more successful? It's been shown that analytics is profitable and the way to go. And in the future, it's a baseline. So if you don't start doing it now, you may not be able to catch up.